How you guys doing? And thanks for watching. It's George at Wicked Warnings with a very clean 2019 F-250 Ford Super Duty. What are we looking at? We got some warning lights on this particular truck. We're using our auto flasher module kits on 3 locations around the front of the truck. We've got a kit on the roof that's splitting up the roof lights there and flashing the roof lights. We've also got a kit on the white lights in the mirror, the white spotlights, as well as a kit on the amber mirror strip lights. You must have the original equipped white spotlights to use that kit, so some trucks may only be able to use the amber. In the front of the grille there, we have our LIN6 synced up and set to alternate in all amber. This is ran right now off the factory auxiliary switches. And as you can see, around the back, we're also using our auto flasher kit on the factory white LED cargo lights, as well as our LED HAW duo in the reverse lights. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment. Be sure to see wickedwarnings.com for all of this equipment.